Okay, everyone, let's go and see what happened to our last trade. I think we should make a little profit. We lost 3 trades up till now, but anyways, we are going to see what happened. Let's go. The only thing we can do is wait or the change of plan, but I'm not going to change the plan for now. Let's go to our Litecoin. We lost 3 trades and let's see what happened this time. Okay, let's go. I don't see what is happening. Let's go and see what is happened. Okay, paper trading. Oh, we are. What has happened? Let's go to paper trading and account history. Okay, we make a win and it make up our losses. We make 1 win, 3 losses. Let's go to calculator and see did we make profit or loss. We make 5,000 and we lost 2050. We lost 2,050 and we lost another 2,000. Okay, at all we make $28 from 10,000. It's 3%. It's really good. Maybe I should start again. Okay, but it's too soon for making conclusion. Let's go and try to create another order. We are not going to use any technical or fundamental program. We are just going to use our vision and what is happening. Okay, we buy here and we sell here. We take profit from here to here. It's a good percentage. But I tell you now, the price is going down again, and I'm going to create a trade on sell, and I put the stop loss here 110. If the price go here, it maybe go upper, but the price is good stop loss. And I'm going to take the take profit to here 100. The 100 is good for take profit. Okay, we create everything. Let's create our position. Now let's go to our orders and let's see which position has been created. The site is going to crash again, I think. Let's see our order. Okay, as position has been created and it's on the profit. We are going to wait and see what is going to happen. But until then, we see what happened. What we are going to do, we are going to create another one. No, I think it's good. Our sell here and stop loss here. We make 6,000 in profit and 3,000 in the loss. Okay, it's good, but before seeing the what happened until tomorrow, let's have a time to rest, and please like and subscribe and ask me if you have anything to ask in the comments. And don't ask me questions about your wallets and how to change the money, because they are something very personal and you must take responsibility for them. And if you ask, I will help, but the responsibility is go for yourself. Okay, have a nice time.